In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an order confirmation email using Klaviyo. If you're running an online store and want to ensure your customers receive a well-crafted confirmation email as soon as they place an order, you're in the right place. Whether you're using Shopify, WooCommerce, Squarespace, or another e-commerce platform, the process is quite similar. Before we begin, there are a few essentials you'll need to have in place. First, make sure your store is integrated with Klaviyo. This integration is crucial as it allows Klaviyo to receive the order placed event or its equivalent from your platform, which is what we're going to trigger the email with. You'll also need access to the dynamic order data, including the order number, the items purchased, their quantities, prices, and the shipping address. And of course, your Klaviyo plan must support transactional emails, which typically includes order confirmations. Now let's dive into the steps to create an order confirmation email in Klaviyo. First, navigate to the Flows section within your Klaviyo dashboard. Flows are where you can set up automated emails that are triggered by specific events. Once you're in Flows, you'll want to click on Create Flow. This is the start of setting up a new automated workflow. Next, you'll choose a trigger event for the email, which generally corresponds to an order being placed. Depending on your integration, this trigger might be called Placed Order, Order Created, or something similar. You'll want to select the metric or event that aligns with order placement for your store. With the event selected, it's time to add an email action after the trigger. This action represents the order confirmation email that your customer will receive. Now comes the fun part: designing the email. You have the option to use a template or create your design from scratch. Make sure to include key order information like the order number, purchase date, the items bought with names, images, quantities, and prices, as well as the subtotal, shipping information, and the payment method. It's also beneficial to include additional details like shipping estimates, contact information for customer service, and your return policy. Leverage Klaviyo's template tags, known as dynamic variables, to ensure the email automatically pulls in details specific to each order event. Once the design is complete, configure the sender and subject information. Ensure the from name and email are recognizable. Your store name usually works well. Craft an engaging subject line such as your order confirmation, your store order, our order number, and add pre-header text that complements the subject. Before we finish, it's crucial to preview the email with sample data to ensure everything looks perfect. Send a test email to yourself to double-check that all dynamic fields populate correctly with order items, images, and so on. Lastly, once you're happy with the email setup, activate the flow. This step ensures that when the trigger event occurs during a real transaction, the email will be sent automatically to your customers, providing them with a seamless order confirmation. And there you have it. Following these steps will help you create an effective and polished order confirmation email using Klaviyo.